Hey guys, welcome to our Missouri homestead here at Kapper Outdoors. Little background here. This home is 22-ish years old and this fishing dock is rotten. It's dangerous because you can fall through, as you could see here by these pictures and videos. So I got to thinking we wanted to replace it, and we could either try to hire a crew to dismantle this by hand, but speaking of which, the screws are all rusted in that, so that makes it challenging. Plus they are rotten to where you could fall through it. So I got some ideas with equipment to try to save us a bunch of back labor and money. Let's see if it's gonna work. Go a little more. Can you get out? Can you get out if I leave it there? What about, I'm gonna hit the drone right now. Hey guys, a quick reminder, if you'd like to show us a little love, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and maybe sharing the video if you enjoy it. So let's rock and roll.
Now what, Joe? That's what.
All right, well, that was nice.
Okay, we got rusted bolts too. That didn't last. Well, it looks like we got a couple floaters, but we'll get them on the shore. Wow, what a mess. Yeah, this time we're gonna use composite, so we don't have to worry about any of this, at least in our lifetime. No more wood. Or even better, if we get an aluminum one, and we don't even have to build it hardly. Alright, now it's kind of looking like a shipwreck. Ah, the wind's blowing that way. I guess we'll go over there and collect some. Alright, well that mission was accomplished. We're going to have to end up burning that and making a hole because it's got all those screws in it. Oh, Joe, it's like the golf course. You left a divot. Aren't you supposed to replace them? It's alright. Okay, so here's what we're going to start out with. We'll probably do the same thing. I don't know that we need a full width of a dock, you know, that whole way. Kind of like their idea of just like a little boardwalk, like a walkway, plank way? Plank, yeah. Walk on the plank. So maybe that over here again, and then the wider one over there. So, I know Joe's going to be swimming later. I'm sure he'll be out there fishing for the shipwreck pieces that are floating over there. But hey, great project. Glad to see that gone. I don't know when we're going to get to making a new one. Probably not real soon, but it's one step in the right direction.